Injective protocol. Injective protocol is a universal decentralized finance protocol for cross-chain derivatives trading across a plethora of financial products such as perpetual swaps, futures, and spot trading. The injective chain is implemented as a Cosmos SDK module built with Ethermint EVM on Tendermint. It utilizes a Tendermint-based proof of stake to facilitate cross-chain derivatives trading across Cosmos, Ethereum, and many other Layer 1 protocols. Injective protocol is collision resistant and utilizes verified delay function VDF to prevent front running. INJ is the native asset of injective protocol and is used across a diverse range of functions such as protocol governance, exchange fee value capture, derivative collateralization, liquidity mining, stacking. The injective platform enables users to take part in decentralized cross-chain derivatives trading with zero gas fees, assess cross-chain yield generation for a multitude of assets, create and trade on any derivative market with only a price feed, thereby opening up more opportunities for trading on markets not found on other exchanges. Key metrics. The total circulating supply is 15,152,222 INJ. Total token supply is 100,000,000 INJ. Binance Launchpad sale price is $0.4 per INJ. Binance Launchpad allocation 9,000,000 INJ. What is Injective Protocol? INJ. Injective Protocol is a universal DeFi protocol for cross-chain derivative trading across a variety of financial products such as perpetual swap, futures, and spot trading. The platform utilizes both the Ethereum and Cosmos ecosystem via Pexons in order to create a fast cross-chain trading infrastructure without gas fee expenses. Injective aims to build a network that is trustless, censorship resistant, publicly verifiable, and front-running resistant. Injective value proposition. Injective protocol provides a vertically integrated infrastructure that allows anyone to create and trade on any derivative market. Injective protocol currently supports perpetual swaps and contract for different CDFs and will support other derivatives in the future. The key highlights. Some of Injective protocol's key elements include Layer 2 decentralized derivative trading. Injective is able to achieve fast trading speeds while charging zero gas fee. Trade on any market. Injective allows anyone to create and trade on any derivative market using only a price feed, thereby opening up many opportunities for trading on markets not found on other exchanges. Cross-chain trading and yield generation. Injective is capable of supporting a diverse array of trading and yield generation activities across distinct Layer 1 blockchain network. Community-driven network governance. Injective network will be governed by its decentralized community in which new listing or network changes are all voted on a decentralized autonomous organization structure. Liquidity mining incentives. Injective community will be able to capture value via liquidity mining programs that have been natively built onto the network to continuous growth. Recent news. October 2020. Integrated with Chainlink to settle user-created decentralized derivatives. October 2020. Integrated with Polkadot to expand cross-chain derivatives trading. October 2020. Introduced the Injective token economy. September 2020. Partnered with Findora to introduce privacy-preserving derivatives. September 2020. Partner with Frontier for token swap and stacking. September 2020. Announced derivative markets idea competition winners. August 2020. Integrated with Kava to leverage on Kava's lending facility. July 2020. Announced derivatives market idea competition. June 2020. Announced partnership with WooTrade to improve trading liquidity. Product and technical infrastructure. Injecti protocol is comprised of four principal components: Injecti chain, Injecti smart contracts on Ethereum, Injecti API nodes, Injecti front-end interface. Injecti chain. The Injecti chain is a fully decentralized sidechain layer network which serves as a layer 2 derivatives platform, a trade execution coordinator (TEC) and decentralized order book. Injecti chain utilizes the Tendermint consensus mechanism and the core protocol logic is implemented through Cosmos SDK modules. Layer 2 derivatives platform. The Injecti chain supports building generalized derivative application through two avenues: the Injecti futures protocol and general smart contracts. The Injecti futures protocol is deployed on the Injecti chain as a Cosmos SDK based application. This protocol enables traders to create, enter into and execute decentralized perpetual swap contracts and CFDs on any arbitrary market. The Injecti chain provides a two-way Ethereum PEGSON for ETH and ERC20 token to be transferred to the Injecti chain, as well as EVM compatible execution environment for DeFi applications. The PEGSON is based on PEGI and the EVM execution is based on Ethermint. EVM execution environment. The Injecti chain EVM is a Geth-based EVM implemented as a custom Cosmos SDK module akin to Ethermint. The user and developer experience for deploying and interacting with contracts on the Injecti EVM will be the same, and all of the Ethereum RPC methods will be supported in the Injecti EVM. Trade execution coordinator. The Injecti TEC is a decentralized coordinator implementation based on the 0x3.0 coordinator specification. The Injecti TEC safeguards trades from front-running using verifiable delay functions and enables lower latency trading through soft cancellations. Decentralized order book. Injecti decentralized order book is a fully decentralized 0x based order book enabling sidechain order relay with on-chain settlements. A decentralized implementation of the traditionally centralized off-chain order relay used by nearly all central limit order book decentralized exchanges. Nodes of the Injecti chain host a decentralized censorship-resistant order book which stores and lays trading orders. Cross-chain structures. Ethereum Injecti PEGSON. Both Ethereum and ERC20 tokens can be transferred between Ethereum and the Injecti chain through the Injecti PEGSON. The process to do so follows the standard flow as defined by PEGI. Ethereum to Injecti chain. The following is the underlying process only: transferring Ethereum ERC20 token from Ethereum to the Injecti chain. Validators witness the locking of Ethereum ERC20 assets and sign a data package containing information about the lock, which is then relayed to the Injecti chain and witnessed by the ETH-bridge module. Once a quorum of validators has confirmed that the transactions informed is valid, the funds are released by the Oracle module and are transferred to the intended recipient's address. In this way, Ethereum assets can be transferred to Cosmos SDK-based blockchains. The process is abstracted away from the end users, who simply needs to transfer Ethereum or ERC20 asset to the Injecti PEGSON IPZ contract. Injecti chain to Ethereum. Validators witness transaction of the Injecti chain and sign a data package containing the information the user's Ethereum ERC20 token on the Injecti chain is then burned, resulting in unlocking the Ethereum ERC20 token on Ethereum. The data package containing the validated signature is relayed to the contracts deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. Once enough validators have confirmed that the transaction's information is valid, the funds are released to the intended recipient's Ethereum address. Injective smart contracts on Ethereum. Injective smart contract is a token-based protocol which is inextricably linked to the INJ token. As such, the components of protocol interactions and token economics are implemented through the following smart contracts. Injective coordinator contract services both 0x based orders as well as Injective's derivative transactions on Ethereum and on the Injective chain. Stacking contract manages the core functions for stackers in Injective protocol, including slashing, rewards, delegation, and governance. Injective futures contracts, a suite of smart contracts that enable traders to create, enter into, and execute decentralized virtual swap contracts on any arbitrary market. Injective bridge contracts encompasses a suite of smart contracts managing the two-way peg between Ethereum and the Injective chain. Injective token contract, ERC20 contract for the INJ token. Injective API nodes. Injective API nodes has two purposes: one providing transaction layer services and servicing as a data layer for the protocol. Transaction relay service. Although users can directly interact with the Injective chain by broadcasting a compatible 10-bin transaction encoding a compatible message type, doing so would be cumbersome for most users. API nodes provides users a simple HTTP and WebSocket API to interact with the protocol. The API nodes then formulate the appropriate transactions and relay them to the Injective chain. The Injective API supports the Injective Futures API, the 0x Standard Relayer API version, and the 0x Standard Coordinator API. The API also provides abstractions for protocol actions, including stacking, voting, and governance. The specification for this API can be found at api.injective.dev. Data layer. Injective API nodes also serves as a data layer for external clients. Injective provides a data and analytics API which is out of the box compatible with Injective's front-end interface. Although Injective provides the API servers and as in process service based on BadgerDB communicating over Google Remote Call Procedure gRPC with the Injective chain codes. Developers can provide their own implementations for their custom needs. Example, using a relational database for in-text queries. Injective front-end interface. Injective protocol is a fully decentralized protocol which allows for individuals to access the protocol in a permissionless manner. Injective provides a user-friendly front-end interface which individuals or companies can run locally or host on a web service to interface with the protocol. This interface is also deployed on the Interplanetary System (IPFS). INJ token overview and use case. The use case intended for INJ include but are not limited to protocol governance, exchange fee value capture, derivative collateralization, liquidity mining, and stacking. Further details regarding each of these use cases can be found below. Protocol governance. The INJ token can be used to govern various components of Injective's sidechain, including the futures protocol, exchange parameters, and protocol updates via a DAO structure. Exchange fee value capture. After the layer reward distribution, the exchange fee will undergo an on-chain buyback and burn event to accrue value for INJ. Collateral backing or derivatives. INJ will be utilized as an alternative to stable coins as margin and collaterals for Injective's derivatives markets. In some future markets, INJ can also be used for collateral backing or insurance pool stacking, where stackers can earn interest on their locked tokens. Exchange participation incentives. The foundation plans to incorporate a liquidity mining scheme and distribute a fixed number of INJ token daily weighted by the liquidity each network participant provides. Tendermint-based proof of stack POS security to ensure the security of Injective's sidechain. Injective will incentivize nodes to stack INJ and participate in the sidechain's network consensus with blocked rewards.